Hey guys, it's me, lpsninjago. I want to talk to you guys. Yeah, I'm using hold on. I think I'm using screencast-o-matic.com because I like it. I like it now. I'm recording right now with it. I have like 15 minutes, so, and you may not hear anything because I have my headphones on. I'll take them off, but I'll just unplug them. I'm not so sure if you guys can hear still, but that's okay. So I want to talk to you guys about this. Why is everyone sleeping here exactly? You're like, one more person I slept, and they're like, one more person. Why are all these people sleeping? Like, I don't get it. It's sleeping. So just sleep, you get rest. Oh, okay. Cool, I'm gonna start sleeping. But really, all I do is track down my friend. She's a good friend. And I drop her down here. She's right there. Oh, shit. She's right here. Oh, that's different to right here. That's her. I just thought you guys should know. I think I can know. But yeah. I'm gonna sleep. See what happens. Okay. Any rares at all? Oh, she's my good friend. You guys can. Oh, she's even here? Really? I didn't expect this. How would she be here? That does not make sense. So, I love him so much. You know what better yet? I'm going over there. I'm not going to sleep anymore. I only have like 3 minutes. I'll do something. Today, guys, I'm going to talk to you personally. Okay, so let me sit down. Gosh, I really have to get rid of this bed. Okay. So, hello, YouTube. I want to talk to you guys about... Should I talk about me not making any videos? Yes, I am very sorry. I have not been making any videos recently. Today I'm going to explain. Okay. I'm going to be using Screencast-O-Matic a lot. Yeah, I will be using Screencast-O-Matic a lot now because I can make my videos on it. So yeah. I'm going to be using Screencast-O-Matic, so you guys should use Screencast-O-Matic if you guys don't make videos and you have like YouTube account. You can explain things there. But I like My Little Pony now. I saw Equestrian Girls. I don't really get it because it was recorded in a theater and I missed some parts in between. So yeah. My brother's friend was supposed to give me a camera. He didn't. Then we thought my brother. Okay, I recorded with my brother's phone, and then he was like, "Sure, whatever." And then you can it's weird. He said you can hear like in HD or something. It's like in a good quality. And then that's the day it happened. The day it happened, we have this weird thing I have in my hand right now. You can connect it from your phone to your computer. I tried everything, and it just ended up just charging it. And I use Windows Live Movie Maker. I know you guys can't see it, but I use right here. I use Windows Live Movie Maker right here. Wait, no, sorry, this one, Windows Live Movie Maker. And I don't use it most of the time because it's not a really good one. It's not a really good one. You can only have like the basic stuff. You can't add screen you can't add screen effects. You can't add like sound effects. That's what I want in my videos. And my camera broke. I took it to a field trip, and I supposedly broke, and I told my dad, and he's like, I can't fix it. He's like, you're gonna have to pay like $100 to fix this thing. I'm just like, oh my gosh. And I have ruined it. I ruined it for all you guys that are watching this. My 6 subscribers. If one of you are watching this right now, please comment if you guys use a different like editor for your videos. If you even use one at all. That's not Windows Live Movie Maker. Because I thought it was really cool, but it ended up being a bust. It just sucked so much. I barely even used it. My first videos, those two I have it. And I only have like 1 view on my new intro, so what's wrong with you guys? I promise I will make more videos with Screencast-O-Matic. That I will, I promise. Today I'm gonna upload like 3 or 2. But yeah. Thank you for like the 900 something views. Nanogen, I will make a 200 view thing. But yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. I only have 8 minutes, and I don't have anything left. Thank you guys for all your support. Yeah. So yeah, my name is Selby 1 2 3 4 5, and you spell it write this down DARSELEI, and then 1 through 5, but actually put the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 like that, okay? And I would love to be your friend. Just I have 26 out of 100 slots left. Oh no, I have 26 friends out of 100. Most of them, I barely even. You're freaking kidding me? But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I have Mighty Magic Pet and Darling Cute Rabbit. And if you guys would, please trade me a fox hat. Like this one, but a different color. It can be blue, pink, any color, especially black and blue. Because I have a brother. I think I can find him. No, this is my dad. Oh my gosh. That's my dad. I think this is my babysitter. Even though I like him. You can met him before. No idea. Anyways, I can't find Oh yeah, this is my sister. She's amazing. I don't know why she's like that. But yeah. Oh yeah. You guys can, I'm guessing, it'd be great if you be friends with PokeFan74428. And that's how it's spelled. But anyways, thank you guys for watching so much. I really appreciate it. Please trade me a fox hat. Please, not trade. And I got more stuff. Do this thing. Some balloons. I'm saving up some things for My Little Pony. So don't trade me that. Oh, this thing. Alright. Thank you guys for watching so much. Thank you. I have to go now. I will upload this video and I think 2 more. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please try me a fox hat. Let's put it on. Ah! Where's my watch? Okay. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry, I'm not really a speller. I'm really 10. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great summer. Don't even ask me about my summer because it's been terrible. I've been stuck in my house. I never do anything for summer. Except go to the park and eat breakfast. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. Yay! Bye! Subscribe, please. If I get 10 subscribers, I'll make a 10 subscriber special. If I get 200 views, I'll make a 200 view special. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye!